Welcome to ActiveCampaign, the all-in-one marketing automation platform. Are you tired of using multiple tools to manage your email campaigns, automation, and CRM? ActiveCampaign is here to help. With our easy-to-use platform, you can streamline your marketing efforts and grow your business. And the best part? You can try it for free. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today. With ActiveCampaign, you can segment your audience, personalize your communications, and automate your sales and marketing processes. Here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to set up automation in ActiveCampaign. Go to the Automation tab in your ActiveCampaign account. Click on the New Automation button. Choose a trigger for your automation. For example, if you want to send a welcome email to new subscribers, choose the Subscribes to a List trigger. Set up the actions for your automation. For example, in the welcome email automation, you would add an action to send an email to new subscribers. Customize your automation by adding more actions or conditions, if desired. Save and activate your automation. With just a few simple steps, you can set up powerful automation that will save you time and help you reach your audience more effectively. Automation is just one of the many features that ActiveCampaign offers. Here are some other tasks that you can accomplish with ActiveCampaign. Create professional-looking email campaigns with our drag-and-drop editor. Track the performance of your email campaigns with detailed analytics. Create landing pages to capture leads and increase conversions. Use our built-in CRM to manage your leads and customers. Create forms and surveys to gather valuable information from your audience. Use our e-commerce integration to automate your sales and marketing processes for your online store. So why waste time and money on multiple tools? Give ActiveCampaign a try and see how it can help you grow your business. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today and see for yourself how ActiveCampaign can help you grow your business. Thank you for choosing ActiveCampaign. We can't wait to see your business thrive.